Welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government objective past question. Year 2012 government past question. Question number 11. Question number 11 says, in feudal system, the two major classes are the serfs and the dash. In feudal system, the two major classes are the serfs and the dash. Now, when we talk of feudal system is the same as feudalism, and it is the process by which land is owned and given out to the serfs. So the question here is that the relationship that indicates between the serfs, which the landowner, and the serfs is that, and then the people that owns the land are known as lords or masters. So by this indication, it means that option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.